based on my review from yesterday, I have shortlisted these three. One is teamwork to manage all the cases for you. Another is Joho projects, and the last one is the project manager that you are already working. Now, in a short video, I would like to show what each of them are offering, and maybe it will help you to decide which one you should select. So first of all, if I talk about this one, project manager, yes, you can do a lot of stuff here as well. Like you requested to me that you want to manage the deadline, and also you want to assign the project, the milestone. So what I have found that yes, you can do all this stuff from here. But the problem with the system is it's quite backdated, so it means the designs are really not good user friendly, so that I can do everything from one place. So I have to move here and there to do those things. But yes, we can manage the deadline and project, but the notification and the status reports, those are not quite attractive or useful if I compare it to the other projects. So now I will show you what we have on the other projects, project management tool. The teamwork I found actually so far could be the best one maybe for you. Let me show you what are the options we have here. I have just created one project here. I gave it a name something like law firm, just for testing purpose. And this is actually my, you could say this could be a milestone. And then under that milestone, I can add this task here, and I can manage the task right from here. So I have the option for milestone, the messages, and definitely the file sharing. All those options we have here. So we can check the workload report. Actually, it's quite slow due to I'm recording my screen. Then we have the option for adding the employee. Then you can assign to them, and you can check all the due deadlines report as well, all the estimated time, all the logged time, everything from here. You can create the milestones. And I guess I don't have a milestone created, so let's see what are the options we have, what are the things that I can do from a task. So this is, you can see a notification is showing with the task itself here, that the due date and is already read. So it means I have already passed my due date. And these are the log time, this is the priorities. Okay, so we have already these options here, and I can easily assign this task to someone. So this is the details view where someone can log the time. So we have all these things: start date, due date, created by, estimated time. This is the option for the assign to. So all I can do, I can manage the assign staffs from here as well. I would like to show you the dashboard as well. You can see the late milestone is showing the late milestone. You can see the workload report as well from calendar or Gantt chart as well. But in every project management tool, what you cannot do is say there is already assigned task for your particular employee, so you can again assign task on the same time. In most of the project management tools, they don't have the validation that if a task is assigned, then you cannot assign another task. It is up to you. You can see the workload of them, and then you can take your decision. So these are the calendar view for this. So I don't have much data, so most of the things actually not visible here. So what I understood is important for you is to check, the due date or the late task. So the due task or late task, you will always get the notification here, and also you will get the notification in your email as well for any the due task. And this is a short overview for this. Maybe if you agree, then we can create a complete demo project and we can go further on that. Okay, then I would like to show another to you. That is a Zoho project. I will be moving to that one. Okay, so in Zoho projects, their UI is also quite attractive and easy to use. This is the calendar, and then the dashboard. I really like that their dashboard view the overdue work items and the task report. You can easily add your users and your milestones from this one. Simply you can add the users from here, and you can check the timesheet, the reports, the calendar is here, milestone is here, then here is the task. So you can see the start date, end date, the duration. Then you can manage them right from here, and the owner is basically the option where you can assign someone to here. So this is the option to assign someone, and there is option for as usual like document sharing for a specific task, then any comments. You can manage the status as well. And for this type of project management systems like uh, Zoho or Teamwork, you can have a different view as well. So from this view, actually, it's quite easy to manage the task. Say like these are your open tasks. So you can simply drag this and move it to close. So you can manage you can manage the status, very easily for this project. So these are some of the other benefits of using Teamwork or this one, Zoho. I mean, we can just simply drag and drop and change the status of the project. So what actually I found useful is that you are looking some software where you can manage the deadline, the milestones, and you can assign easily, view the Gantt chart, the workload, the availability, and also the due notification. And if I compare with a good UI UX, then I really found this two was best for uh, Zoho and in Teamwork. But in this two software, I didn't find where you can manage, the working time. Say if you are adding one of your employee, then you can manage their daily work time. So that is not possible in these systems because they actually for project management and the task management, but not for the employee management. But I guess that Zoho has some CRM option as well, so maybe you can integrate the other CRM option for Zoho, and you can manage some other option as well. So now you can decide and let me know that which software maybe we are going to use, and if you want, I can share my login details that I have created for the demo purpose. I can share it for Teamwork, and for Zoho for both. And then you can let me know which one is more, user friendly for you. Sorry.